And here they come, in from the right, the Wedgetail and the Red Arrows.
RIAT first. Wedgetail, flown by squad leader Angus Lilly of the Royal Air Force number 56 Squadron, the Operational Evaluation Unit, and Glenn Wilcox, the Boeing test pilot.
Indeed, we'll be seeing them and their aircraft back in a little while, because it's now time for the Red Arrows to break from the Wedgetail and set up for their own display in just a few moments' time. Other assets using voice communications and the tactical data link. It's able to track airborne and maritime targets simultaneously. In from the right then, the new Wedgetail AW1. Aircraft currently operated by... This, of course, a bit of a surprise act today. We intended to see it yesterday. There was a technical issue which prevented that, but everyone's shown great flexibility in bringing it into the programme today. And here it is, in from the right for a go. Well, what a splendid sight. Boeing test pilot Glenn Wilcox and RAF number 56